Hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Pomona TV News here in Pomona, California. Now, there wasn't much going on in news today. It's pretty peaceful, but anyway, I thought I'd just turn your attention to some of our feather furry friends that come and visit us about this time of year. And yes, that's right, I'm talking about those beautiful but noisy, pesky parrots. That's right, I'm sure you probably heard them early in the morning, making all that ruckus. Well, I was outdoors early this morning, and I just happened to have my camera with me, and I videotaped those feathery, noisy, pesky parrots, but beautiful. So anyway, I thought I'd just leave you this. So enjoy your day and weekend, and like always, you take care. Now, you take care of those ones you love. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.